I'm about to get on the Peloton. I saw that some people that I watch has posted YouTube videos. In my spirit, I get so excited. I've never met these people, but I get so excited. I hope other people get excited when I post too. But like, I cannot wait to watch every single time they post. It's crazy. And it's not even the people like the big YouTubers that's been on here for years, or the people who everybody watch. It's like people who are small like myself and who just came on here and you know, that's just introducing their lives to YouTube. I get so excited, like you would not believe, honestly. But let me get on the Peloton. I'll see you in a minute. It's all way up for you. And bam bam, happy September 19th. Today would have been my sister's 39th birthday. I would say it would have been her birthday because regardless, it's still September 19th and she was born on this day, so it is her birthday. We're gonna talk present tense because I'm in the present. Let's see if I can call my mama. See how she's doing on this September 19th, the day she gave birth to her last child.
Is not available.
Well, she didn't answer.
Please record your message.
All right, friends, I had to take my hair down. I can only stand it in those twists for so long. I can only stand my hair in those twists for so long before it starts really itching really bad. And because I don't wear my hair like in styles. That's why I don't get styles. First of all, they hurt. Don't let nobody fool you. Them styles are cute, but they hurt. But them twists, those twists for me, they I start having like little bumps on the back of my neck. But anyway, so they're down. It's cute. She's giving Mary had a little lamb right now, because to me sometimes when I first take them down, they so flat it looks like a little baby lamb. Maybe not to you, but to me, okay? But anyway, nap time. Grand Rising, friends. It's time to go running. And I tried this thing I saw on social media. You know how sometimes you try stuff? And I saw this lady who said that if you put your citrus fruit in water, a jar of water, it won't turn colors. I don't think I need to say anymore. It was all submerged in water.
Hack will keep citrus fresh longer. Put your lemons and limes in containers that can be filled with water. Make sure that they're fully submerged in water. Then seal them. Next,
if I got anything great from it, it's definitely some great smelling water, because it smells like citrus. So I put it in this container. And I probably use it to spray the countertops and the plants maybe. But yeah, they definitely changed colors. So maybe I didn't do something right, or maybe it was just something on social media to get people to try it, and I did. So I'm gonna try with the avocados and see what, because they said if you put avocados in water, they don't change color too. So I'm gonna try that next. Friends, my curls, they're eating for sure. We'll see how long it stays like this with all this running every day. Yep, my lips ashy. That's okay. It's real life. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. So lately I've been, well, today. I did a mile on the treadmill, and then I got finished on the Peloton. The Peloton, usually the ride is like 5 miles or more, depending on how long you ride. And pause. But I do 20 minutes, and it's like 5 miles. I probably show you already.
Get a brand new bag, hey, quiet on bread. Need no pump gas, hey, need to keep it on task. Hey. Pulling up flex, hey, keep it on track. Hey. Fussing and fighting, hey, fucking all night. Hey. Gotta make it count, hey, love it when you bounce. Hey. Girl, that's
I hope everybody is doing amazing. I am. I'm doing much better, sleeping much better. I got a chance to talk to my mama yesterday. Sorry I didn't bring you in on it, but we just got in the vibe.
you like, hey. Gucci on sight, hey.
Up for a while. I sat on the front porch for a long time last night. Had a salad for dinner, kombucha, water, and was knocked out before 8 o'clock probably. But we did 3 miles on this ride in 20 minutes. I'm about to do something for this bellies. Probably do some more planks and some push-ups, because I used to do that a lot and I stopped. I don't know why, but I'm about to do it this morning.
You like fun right now, just like fun right now. You like fun right now, just like fun right now. Can't beat you, please go no.
We are done with the workout for this Friday. I think I'm gonna go in the sauna. That's what's gonna make my hair, my curls, or my waves not be in my hair because of that heat in the sauna. But we gotta do it. Really loving these dunks. Fit check. Let's get on the tripod. Nothing too serious.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we one-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still
Rising, beautiful, beautiful people. It is Saturday morning. The morning has been started for a little bit. It is 9:37. We have not worked out. I'm not trying to right now, but I will soon. See ya.
Allow your consciousness to sink into this world.
Supposed to be working out. I haven't. I got started on this movie that I just showed you guys. It's a little bit creepy if you have kids, but it's a must see, because I was supposed to be doing something else and got caught. Pardon me. Let me step out for a minute. My poopa's Brooklyn here by herself, so we're gonna run in the garage.
All right, well, this is right here. This is me. All the bottom part.
Hold on, let me.
This is Daddy, and this is me. It's our collab. Do something.
That's 22.
22, and I did that by myself.
You angry or what?
I got all my anger. I'm good now. I'm okay now.
I said the people were like, "You're gonna be on our side. We're gonna need you. Where'd you live?" Because you know, sometimes we don't go to the shooting range. I used to go with them all the time. This time I didn't want to leave Boopers at home by herself, so I didn't go. But yeah, they're gonna want them on their side. But we ain't switching up.
I don't hang with rats, that's some new type shit. Get a nigga whacked on new type shit. Sippin', drinking.
Get on the Peloton. We're actually on the Peloton. I just hadn't started yet.
Running through a crew type shit. I got a bad bitch at home, blue type shit. Take down Megan Stallions by the group type shit. That's some thick shit. I just thought you knew type shit. I just tricked off.
And it's got us almost 6 miles. So plus the run was 7 miles. Well, we'll say 6 miles because we didn't quite do 6 on the Peloton. So Peloton plus the treadmill, we'll say we did 6 miles. Technically, it's like a run because yeah, if you know, you know. I'm always trying to explain something. Let you start, just start. I did not start at my normal time, but I did it. All of it. See ya. I'm wearing the same thing I had on yesterday. Unapologetically, of course.
I feel like I'm flying now. You make it so delicate. You give me peace of mind. You take me high, and now we know how again. I feel like I'm flying now. You make it so delicate. You give me peace.
Okay, so we are at the GYM. Let's go and get our run on. I don't know how long I'm gonna run. I want to say 45 minutes, but we shall see.
I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, rich nigga. Oh, 100 pockets riding. Got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. No rich niggas with successful. Say she wanna feel special. What?
Out of all these parks, why you gotta park this close to me? Why?
I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. She pop a perk and pussy wetter. Drip. I met the bitch at Coachella. If she do tell her, she probably do better. But can I get a E forever? I pray to God to wash my sins. God performed against me, not the weapon, no weapon. That's where do I begin? Where? Never trying to take my blood.
All right, so we back from the gym and we done all the things. Now it's time to get ready to change this nail color and this toenail color. Oh, the green.
Yeah, it was
108.
Yeah.